Hi everyone, welcome back to the next video on Azure AI 900 series. So let's start. Have you ever wondered how facial recognition works to unlock your phone? So in this video we are going to deep dive into the facial detection and analysis using Azure Vision Studio. So one more question I want to ask: is your phone unlocking only application of facial recognition? Like, uh, are there many applications available using facial detection? So the answer is yes. So some common applications of facial recognition and analysis includes security, in case where physical facial recognition is used for accessing office space. Next is the intelligent monitoring, where it is used to detect drive fatigue to avoid accidents. It is also used in advertising based on images while caught your attention in past. So other aspects including the identity validations, image cl- other aspects includes identifying missing persons and also identifying verification. For example, using Digi Yatra when you are traveling from the aeroplane. So these are the applications which are we can use. We can develop some kind of facial detection, and these are the applications which we can apply the facial detection. So next, let's talk about the facial analysis. So facial text analysis takes things further. It does not just detect the faces, it extracts the key facial features like the eyes, nose, lips, where are all these attributes, all these components are present in the face. So this helps in identifying facial landmark, which allows us to understand expression and even analyze the emotions. These features are used to train the machine learning models, as you can see that it is for helps us to identify the facial landmarks, and these features are also used to train the machine learning models for facial recognition, age estimation, and gender identification. Facial recognition in particular has become a key security tool, but it's crucial to use it responsibly because we have whenever we are using the AI kind of features, we have to use it as a responsible AI. So let's dive into the Azure Face Analysis, which provides us a wide range of services through Azure AI Face. So here, what it can do, it's the base Azure AI Faces can do the basic detection. It finds the faces in an image and returns their bounding boxes coordinates. Then it also captures their face attributes. It's analyzed the attributes like glasses, head pose, masks, and even different components in the images. Next, Azure also offers the face comparison, which checks similarity between the faces and named individual identification. If there are some celebrity, it will also access the name of that individuals. It helps by recognizing the specific people kind of thing. So, however, these are under limited access to ensure the responsible AI policy. So, because we also have to keep all these AI features included in the responsible AI. So there are different type of Azure resources type. Like we can use the face analysis on the Azure AI services to just use the Azure features of Azure face analysis. To get more accuracy while using the Azure face analysis, we can improve the image format by providing us in the JPEG, PNG, and BMP formats. The file size should be maximum up to 6 MB, and face size it's between up to 4096 into 4096 pixel size, somewhat around this. And always try to avoid extreme angles or lighting as they can impair the detection while using the Azure face analysis. So now let's that is this is the overview, kind of brief overview of the Azure face analysis. Let's deep dive into the demo of the detecting faces using Vision Studio. So just go to the Azure page. Here first you have to create one subscription, either it's a free trial or a kind of subscription. So my subscription is Azure Sub. I have created this in my Azure account. So just go to your Azure portal. We have to create a resource. So just clicking on the create resource button, search for the Azure AI services, because these all Azure, sir, these all Vision Studio, speech services, all comes under the Azure AI services. So just type the Azure AI services. Click on create and Azure AI services. Here we have to choose the subscription. So you just choose the subscription which you have in your account. If you have a resource group, you can choose that. But for now, I am just creating a new resource group. So let me just name it as demo resource group. Click on OK. Next, we have to choose the region. So let me just go with the East US only, because many of the AI services are available in East US. So let's just go with that. Provide a name. So this name should be unique. So let me just say it as a face analysis. Now next we have to choose the pricing tier. So you can see that the face analysis is subdomain already is in use. So we have to choose something unique. Face analysis cloud demo type. Let's just type it as demo type. Face analysis cloud demo type. Let me just, whether it is available or not, it's available. Just choose the pricing tier, standard 0, and check this box that you are acknowledge that you have going with all the terms and conditions. Click on review and create. So you can add multiple things while configuration, like network and identity, and also add some tags, but for now I am just leaving it as default. So you can see that its validation checkup is complete, and we are now good to go with the create the Azure AI services. You just click on create. So it will initialize the template and deploy the resource group in demo resource group and create one Azure AI services with the name facial analysis cloud demo type. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to creating the resources. So after few seconds, you will see that your deployment is in progress. So it will first create the resource group demo RG, and then it will create the resources which you have created Azure AI resources face analysis cloud demo type. So our resources is created. Now we are able to use it. So in this Azure AI service, we can use different AI services like language, speech, vision. We are using the Vision Studio right now. So in the next step, just go and open the Vision Studio. Just click this link. I will provide this link in the description. So you can see that you are now logged into the Azure AI Vision Studio page. So just click on sign in button to sign in with your account. So you can see that now I'm signing in with my account, basically with my account. So next we have to click on view all resources to see whether I have any resources or not. So you can see that this is the resource group which we created. This is the resource in Azure subscription we created right now. So just choose this and set as a default resource. So we are using this resource to analyze our facial analysis. Just select this. So you can see that our current resource is set to this resources which I created with the subscription. Just go to the home page. Next, we are good to go with detect some faces in Vision Studio. So I will provide you a link in which I have some sample photos, sample images on which we can do some facial detection. So just go to the face tab. You can see different options available in the Vision Studio like OCR, optical character recognition, and some of these are I also discussed in the last video, like adding the captions to the images. So today we will see the face analysis. So just click on the face and choose the detect face in an image. So we are here we can see we have different options like detect face in an image, like liveness detection and portrait processing kind of thing. So we are using we are analyzing to detect a face in an image. We will provide an image to the Vision Studio and it will detect the face, whether a face is available in that image or not. Just click on that. You have to acknowledge this thing. Just click on I acknowledge this demo, because this is the resource group, this is the resource which it will use for the analysis purpose. So you can use these images also, but uh, I will paste a link in the description of few of the sample images. You can use that one also. So just you can download those images and save it in your local. So I have saved those images in my local machines. So you can say that these are the three images. You can just try it out. I'm using let's choose the first one. This is the image. So after you selecting the image, it will process this image and trying to get the faces if there are in the image. So you can see that there is one image right up here. So right now it's in processing state. So let's see what it gets the results. So you can see that detected attributes face. You can see there is one face detected right up here, because it's in the second face of the person is not visible. So it will detect the one face right up here. You can see that. You can see these are the JSON with the some bonding box, like where is the left pupil of this face and the right pupil. These all are the coordinates of kind of thing. So this is the whole JSON format response it will provides us. So we can see that it detects the face easily from an image. Let's try it out with the second uh, image. Just select the store to camera image. So here we will see that there are two faces and one more, three faces are detected right up here. So it is able to detect the faces, and for each images it will detect. It will provide us in all the bonding boxes, all the coordinates. You can see. So let's just try with the third image. In the third image, we will hide this face. So you can see that there is no face detected appears, because the face is hiding with some kind of objects on it. So in this way, we can use this feature to detect the image of a person to do some facial analysis things. And for the JSON responses, there is no face detected, so there is no data available. So if you are applying some face detection tool, some face detection applications in your application, you can use this feature to check whether a face is present or not. So this is all about the facial detection thing. You can just try it out using the same steps which I mentioned. So that's it for the video. So at last, one more thing, don't forget to clean up the resources, because it will cost a lot. So just as we use these resources, facial analysis, cloud demo, so it's best practice to delete all the resources which you used in the Azure to not incur any cost. So just go to the home page of the Azure, click on the resource group tab. Here you can see demo resource group. You can see that in the demo resource group we have Azure AI services created. So we just delete this resource group, or either you can delete this resource also. So I'm just deleting this resource group itself, so that all the resources inside that resource group will be deleted. Resource group name. So I'm just typing resource group name and click on delete. So this is all about this demo, how we can how we can use the face analysis in Vision Studio. It's kind of short demo, but yeah, it's helpful. Like if you want to use some face detection applications in your use case, you can use that as your Vision Studio face analysis tool. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Thanks.